How to change the Spotify password. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I will guide you on how you can change the Spotify password, so make sure to watch the video till the end. If you want to actually change your Spotify password, let's just say that you have your account logged in but you don't want to keep that same password and you want to change it. Another thing you want to understand here is that Spotify password cannot be changed using the Spotify app, so you have to open your browser. So go to spotify.com. Now let's say that you're logged into your account but you want to change the password. Tap the gear icon here and then just tap on view account option, and when you go to the view account option here, you should be able to scroll down a bit further. You'll find the option called change password, and when you tap the change password option, you can enter your current password, enter the new password, re-enter the new password to confirm it, and then tap the set new password option to change it respectively. This way you can change the Spotify password. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section. Thank you for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.